We're out here on the East Prospect main road. Buck up in the
Fiberglass
fiberglass specialist. You watch me every time? Every time. Big up yourself. All of them mountain there. Them need to get them out of the way. We're there in front of the 4G hardware. Big sofa there. Upper retreat. You saw the road terrible, man. When you have some break. Oh, you I you have a CRV, make you go wide so easy. Yeah, my viewers and sub, welcome back to the channel. Big Super out here. We're out here on the East Prospect main road. My viewers and sub. And we see where like a bulldozer or a tractor vehicle them carry come and do some work. So we decided we're going to take a look. But before we go down there, we buck up in the fiberglass specialist.
Yeah, man, man.
Big up yourself. So we're going to the fiberglass work you know?
Yeah, you know, sir. We're going to build out to spoiler idea, because you know, some big spoiler.
Yeah.
Skirt and thing.
Yeah.
Couple of car, drop top.
Yeah.
You know, things that. Yeah, I read some of the East Prospect.
Yeah, man, everybody know your location, man.
Anything you lost of a car.
Yeah.
Anything you want to build back, you set them back.
Yeah, man.
Lost, you build it back.
And you know, sometimes some man broke them light, because you have some light were broke and it's expensive bad.
You set them back too.
Yeah.
You set them back.
You set them back.
Break off, you set them back.
So you hear that, the fiberglass. Yeah, fiberglass specialist. And drop back your number for them, for me, you know.
Yeah, man, my number is 5477192.
Alright, 5477192.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Big super.
Yeah.
Done, man.
Yeah, man.
Done our things, so big up yourself.
Alright, fiberglass, man.
Alright,
Peace. So me I go down the road. Me I go look where I go on with a tractor something there. Because I see them bring it come 2 days now.
Official.
Dig one look a hole and park it up and go and left it.
Proper.
So me I go take a look.
I'm clean on the stretch and big.
Yeah.
Big bump.
Yeah, the whole of them something I want clean. The mountain where them left on the road. Them want to take away.
Yeah, I'm trying to flat them.
Yeah, so we all see what I go on. Big up yourself, you hear Shem Dan? Yeah, man. So my viewers and sub, we are make a walk. We're out here in the East Prospect. We see them have one tractor out here do some work. Morning, Daddy. Big Super. How are you today? You want to say hi to the world? Alright, no problem. We don't have no problem with that, man. Yeah, man. But we see them bring a tractor come and them do a thing. We don't know if it's a permanent thing or them just carry it come here for us. If you look a sham. Because you know for them thing already.
When I check,
yeah.
them not go on that thing still.
You check them out go on with that thing?
Yeah, man.
Well, I hope them go on with that thing. So we are going to take a further inspection
yeah,
night.
Yeah, because they like the mud, they go with the trench
But,
and things.
yeah, but when we da rather them do right now, you see upper retreat there, so where the road mash up. We da like them grade off that because that is an urgent problem.
Yeah, man, because that first thing them do.
Yeah.
And it's still mash up.
And it still mash up.
So it looks like it never to drop out down.
Boy, me I tell a star. Anyhow, that's how it go.
Yeah, man.
So me I go through. Bless up with thy name.
Yeah, man, everything blessed.
Alright, easy.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So my viewers and so we see me just talk to a Jenko, man. Eh? You watch me every time? Every time. Big up yourself. Alright. The man say watch me every time. Always step on Big Super. Yeah, man. So me out in the East Prospect. Me there right in front of 4G's hardware, people. Big Super there right out there in the 4G's hardware. And we see some work like it ought to resume out here. But as me tell you, a several time work out to resume out here, so and can't resume till me there, people. And we're out here on the main road. And right in front of me, the tractor man, them not really come and work yet. But me see them cut out one little V in the gully here, which is look nice. A nice little V here and thing. And we see where the man go on with that thing. See 4G hardware the people. Number one hardware out in the East Prospect. And we just a walk because the resident them call me and say, Big Super, go look what I go on with that tractor there. Look what them I do. So we come and we take a look, you know, and thing. And as we tell you, we see where them a dig out a hole. About 2 days now them there, 2-3 days now them there. And them dig out a section right as a people and thing. And it's like them a dig out back the drain and all them things there. But me have some concern. See them run one card line here. If you look, my camera can pick up the card line. But you see them run a card line. Me have some concern. It's like them need to bring some truck. All of them debris, them mountain where them up on the sidewalk. Them need to get them mountain there. All of them mountain there. Them need to get them out of the way. My viewers and subscribers. So, my viewers and subscribers with the out in the East Prospect. And we see where some work will take place. And we have to update you. Time and temperature check. 7:23 in the morning, Friday, August the 4th, 2023. Big Super, the out in the East Prospect, right in front of the famous 4G hardware. And we don't know if the manager for 4G hardware, we don't know if him there about, but we are going to check over 4G. We are going to look if we see him and see if we can get a reason with him. And here we are going over the hardware, so stick and stay. No problem. Some people were there in front of the 4G hardware, and you know, Big Super endorsed the hardware. So enter here out in the East Prospect. You guys, you can always stop and get your hardware items right here. Say hi to one of the staff. Alright, blessings. So we're moving right along, people. We are going to try to see if we can go down a retreat, because we see a situation down there where I get out of control, and we want to spend 5 minutes, for even 5 minutes down there, to make you guys see what really are going on a retreat. So stick and stay. So my viewers and sub, Big Super there, are up a retreat. And the last time I come here, I come do one video, and I go tell the people them about Blacker Scheme, the Citizen Association. Text me and say, Super, we don't live on no Blacker Scheme. We live at Alexandra Park. So anyhow, I'm never get into that, but big up the people them in Alexandra Park. They say they don't live on no Blacker Scheme. Why me I tell you, wordings can make a lot of difference sometime in a life. But anyway, with the right of the bridge, with the upper retreat, with the right of the bridge, we are come through the bridge. And we are going to look just 2 minutes on that piece of road down there. So. Because we see them bring a bulldozer or a tractor vehicle or some heavy unit on up the road there. And them have it up a Prospect and dig out a hole. But me feel say that would have better serve if them have it down here so a grade off the road. Because I see down here some people, vehicle, me not see it with my eye, but taxi drivers them tell me it's a vehicle slide off of the road, go down in the ditch. Ball joint pop off, front end drop off, and a whole heap of things, caucus bag of things them say take place right down at that piece of road there. We want grade off. So if the people them who work on the road or listen to me or watch my channel, just come grade off the road. All if you don't come pave it. Just give the motorists some form of ease to go through that piece of road there. It's like you go through a landmine. I mean, I go down there with my camera people. I almost reach down there. I not go say nothing. I just go make you look and determine if you would have drive on a road. Or even the people them will fix the road. If them But I drive from that go to them yard. So stick and stay. Eh, you saw the road terrible, man. When you my break. Oh, I threw you in a CRV, make you go white so easy. Alright, blessings, yeah? Alright, no say nothing. The road out here terrible bad. Yes, driver. When you look how the vehicle them navigate that piece of road there. It's a disgrace. You see how when traffic I go through that stretch of road there. How them have to drive. You see that vehicle up there, so? You saw him a drive? Look on him. You see it? Over there so the marley slide and go down in the ditch. Because him have to go over there, so put one hand wheel over there, so. And sometimes when him try to come back over, him slide off of the road and you have a ditch over there where a lot of people don't know. So there is a ditch over that side there. Yes, driver. So you see it? You see it to navigate the road of people. You see it? Alright, alright. So you see it, people with the upper retreat, and we just show you where the drivers them have to go through. To drive upon that piece of road there. That piece of road there is like, you ever watch a movie say Highway to Hell? Well, this look like the highway to hell. Yeah. Terrible. Terrible. So I like them come grade off the road like right now. Nobody wait for tomorrow, next week or next month or next year or the next 5 years. Just send a grade around here and come grade off the road. The road stay bad. Yeah, I will show you a trucker come now, people. A trucker coming now. Yeah. So I'm going to make you see. And a truck is a big unit, you know. See the way up the road, so. Yeah. After the truck pass, I'm going to end the vlog. But I just show you now, I'm going to see me draw it up close. The truck, I feel take it time, because I want to break no spring blade. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, the man said they need to get them a look up blind. See the truck? Look on him drive, people. He must drive 0 miles an hour. He must the highest vehicle on the road, you know. But you see it, he don't want to break no spring blade. You see it? And remember, if you slide over to the right side, you're going straight in one ditch. Look on it. Yeah. You see that? Bless up. You see it? Take him a good 5 minutes to navigate one little piece of road. Before you just come over in 1 minute. You see it? Bike man, car man, everybody. See it? And then him have the whole you know to go through. When you look, you know, look on the front wheel, you must have put in wheel at the right place. You see that, people? You see that? Just to come through retreat, Alexandra community. People, I want to fill up the comment section because I'm about to end the blog. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. The most horriblest road in St. Thomas to drive on. Big super. Out in the street. Saying to you guys, peace out. All right, one love, one love. All right.